Winter storm warning in effect from 3 a.m. to 9 p.m. Thursday. Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow.
I know I should be listening to it, but I just want to get to channel 3.
And ice are possible on Wednesday, mainly over southeast Missouri.
No.
7 miles per hour. Roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Plan on slippery road conditions. Produce 54 p.m. Central. Evening commutes. Now here is the hazard.
Nice.